Hello, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money with Enfi to Ghana. And well, this process is quite simple. We're going to log into our Enfi account, and first we'll start by clicking this button. We click it, and once we do, we'll select the option to send money that we have here. Okay? We'll choose this option, and here we'll set the amounts and all that. However, it's necessary here to set the country, which in this case we need to look for here. We have to select Ghana, okay? And once that's set, we'll add whether we're going to make this transfer through a bank account or through a mobile phone. So here, after choosing one of those two options, we'll add a new beneficiary. And here, well, let's suppose we're going to choose the name of the bank. Here, we're going to select the account number. We're going to enter the account number of the person who is in Ghana. Alright? And finally, this warning will appear here. What we're going to do is, just click this button. Okay? This button right here. And then this one to finish the payment. It's pretty simple. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.